Hey guys, today I'm in my sister's office. Eto siya guys, nag-work siya ngayon sa kanya recliner. Anyway, I have a client meeting 15 minutes from now, so I just need to do my makeup very quick. Since it's just an online meeting, guys, I'm just going to apply a cushion tapos something blush lang and lip tint. Here, I'm using the Skintific matte cushion in the shade 02 Ivory. I use this every time I'm at my office kasi ang bilis-bilis niya lang na ma-blend sa skin. Plus, the coverage is so nice. For a matte cushion, it gives my skin a natural glow. Tapos, this just blends well with the makeup I have. I say, lakas niya talagang maka-fresh sa skin. Perfect talaga siya for when you're at the office, tapos kailangan mong mag-makeup very fast. Anyway, guys, that's it for my makeup today. Again, this is the Skintific matte cushion. You'll know this is my favorite cushion. Ito yung ate ko, nag-work pa rin ako. Nagti-tiktok lang. Ano ba? Ganda siya. Ganda talaga. How's work there, Sizzy? I'm gonna go to my brother na rin, guys. Hey, bro!